This is your body on a 10-minute walk, the advantages of a day-to-day strolling schedule. Would you like to feel invigorated, get better, and lift your temperament? A 10-minute walk can do wonders for your care and body. Many examinations have shown that a standard strolling routine has various medical advantages. In this blog entry, we will investigate how your body is impacted when you go for a 10-minute stroll consistently, and why it's essential to make it part of your everyday daily practice. Peruse on to dive deeper into the astounding force of a basic 10-minute walk. How strolling can help your general well-being. Strolling is a magnificent method for working on your general well-being and prosperity. Strolling can assist you with remaining dynamic and solid while having a good time. Besides the fact that strolling gives a low-influence actual work, yet it can likewise lessen your gamble of creating persistent medical issue like coronary illness and diabetes. Moreover, strolling has been found to further develop temperament, decrease pressure, work on mental execution, and even increment life expectancy. Actual well-being. Strolling routinely can assist with working on your actual well-being by expanding strength and adaptability, diminishing irritation, and lessening your gamble for creating constant infections like coronary illness and diabetes. Ordinary strolling can likewise assist with bringing down your circulatory strain and cholesterol levels, lessen joint agony, and even work on your relaxing. Emotional wellness. Strolling has been viewed as an extraordinary type of activity for psychological well-being. Going for a stroll outside in nature can assist with lessening pressure and nervousness and can assist with supporting your temperament. Investigations have discovered that ordinary strolling can assist with further developing fixation and concentration, and can assist with battling sorrow. Weight reduction. While strolling alone may not be sufficient to assist you with getting more fit, it can absolutely help. Strolling can assist with consuming calories, fortify muscles, and diminish muscle versus fat when joined with a sound eating regimen. Ordinary strolling can likewise assist you with keeping a solid load after some time. Taking everything into account, strolling is an astounding type of activity that can help your general well-being and prosperity. It has been found to work on actual well-being, psychological well-being, and even assistance with weight reduction endeavors. Make a point to get everything rolling on a mobile schedule today and receive the rewards. How strolling can help your psychological well-being. Strolling is one of the most mind-blowing types of activity you can accomplish for your emotional well-being. Studies have demonstrated the way that strolling can assist with decreasing pressure, uneasiness, and gloom. It's likewise been connected to expanded concentration and reliable. While you're feeling worried or overpowered, a 10-minute walk can be an extraordinary method for clearing your head and reset your mindset. Heading outside and being presented to regular light can be quieting and empowering simultaneously. Additionally, active work discharges endorphins in your mind, which are chemicals that encourage you. Going for normal strolls is likewise an extraordinary method for helping your confidence. Practice is much of the time seen as a prize for our bodies and psyches, so captivating and customary actual work can assist with developing our certainty. Assuming you're battling with sorrow or nervousness, strolling can be a powerful type of treatment. Take a stab at laying out unambiguous objectives for you and compensating yourself when you meet them. Or on the other hand, on the off chance that you'd like, make it a reflective movement. Invest some energy noticing your environmental factors, zeroing in on your breath, and relinquishing any concerns or contemplations. Strolling has been displayed to lessen the impacts of psychological instability, so attempt to make it part of your day-to-day daily practice. A 10-minute walk every day can do wonders for your psychological prosperity. How strolling can help your weight reduction endeavors. Strolling is one of the most incredible ways of working on your general well-being and health, and it can likewise be utilized as a viable apparatus for weight reduction. Strolling is a low-influence movement that can assist with consuming calories and give your digestion a lift. Strolling can likewise help you keep up with or even get thinner, assuming that you make it part of your standard everyday practice. The way to progress with regards to weight reduction with strolling is to routinely make it happen. To ensure you capitalize on your strolling schedule, you want to plan to stroll something like 30 minutes per day, 5 days per week. This can be separated into 10-minute lumps if vital. Strolling can likewise assist with decreasing desires and hold your hunger under control. At the point when you walk, your body discharges endorphins, which can assist with lessening pressure and keep your brain off food. Furthermore, strolling can likewise assist you with building muscle, which assists your body with consuming more calories in any event when you're not effectively working out. At long last, strolling is perfect for, generally speaking, cardiovascular well-being. It assists bring down your blood with compelling in cholesterol levels, diminishes your gamble of coronary illness, stroke, and other medical conditions. By making a 10-minute day-to-day walk part of your normal daily schedule, you can receive the numerous well-being rewards that accompany it, including further developed weight reduction endeavors. So the thing would you say you were sitting tight for? Get out there and begin strolling. The most effective method to begin with a mobile everyday practice. Getting everything rolling with a mobile routine doesn't need to be confounded. All you really want is a few agreeable shoes, a decent mentality, and a couple of moments of your day. Here are a few straightforward tips to get you rolling. 1. Pick a course. Begin by delineating a protected and agreeable course for yourself. In the event that you're new to strolling, it very well may be ideal to adhere to recognizable regions like parks, trails, or walkways in your area. This will make it simpler for you to monitor where you're going and the way in which far you've gone. 2. Track down the right stuff. Put resources into a couple of steady shoes that fit you well and are agreeable to stroll in. You may likewise need to consider putting resources into a pedometer or wellness tracker to assist you with checking your advancement. 3. Put forth reasonable objectives. Begin little and develop step by step. It tends to be useful to define explicit objectives like strolling for 10 minutes every day or expanding how much time or distance you walk every week. 4. Make it fun. Pay attention to your number one music while you walk or take your canine alongside you. In the event that you're searching for all the more a test, have a go at adding slopes or taking various courses each time. By following these straightforward advances, you can without much of a stretch integrate strolling into your day-to-day everyday practice and begin seeing the astounding advantages for both your body and psyche. So snatch your shoes and prepare to raise a ruckus around town.